Ritu kobono lyo mwerio lyo motenyi oikomia kero jitari kemeronge tato ne mo mwaka w'ijirube ne meronge bere neseto ekero King Charles III ara sense ya Kenya bekera borokiwa ba grade 6 na klasi ya 5 gatoto bagendete okora matemu abo ase ense yaito ya Kenya boiga se county ya Kisii anase county assembly iyo county ya Kisii nigo bakwanere igoro ya abo bisogo sama Johnny HSU aywarenga se county ya Kisii abu litkulegoro ayunga diari agenda tokorekana imena isiko ya Gusii mwanju molengo kubori obenanche goikomweli nyorandura sensemo yemitanda Facebook tonyole Ndizi TV News Digital wega sensemo ya YouTube na bako tonyora Ndizi TV News onyo achinga kina bako tweet at Ndizi TV News wega kerengel kia ugetume wetira se namba irase skini yegura boigo nyoranantora sensemo ye website www.ndizitv.net abana bako tonyora Chinsa meronkebir nenye matukata nabire ye wiki tiankwariani asenjere abeno benanche uikamoeria kerabigani nyanja makwene kibuna goche ira serio gya mone chibicha eriane Brighton Makori serikali enene ni gobono ya Nyarire kumochigwa nagati ya MCB county osaba MCB county ya Kisii anekerba Nyarire bako boli ako okwenekiwa kwa machoni aywarenga se county ya Kisii aburitukirigoro abuba CSU ni gobono aba MCB ba majiri engane yo asibaboli ya serikali enene kurigireria emeroberio ende ya magendro tari gotuma amachoni ase county ya Kisii enene ekerba Nyarba gotwara egikaro kia gokwanira engane yo ase Kisii county assembly tukurero nigoba mochirie okoba kwa banyanyimba bu ase DS mochibo songo anene ase tukurero asibabuli n'umugabana bwe county ya Kisii Paulo Simbarati natakeire kwegwa libaga akorere abamenyi be county ya Kisii emeremeri ba mochorete ase okobobi sibuno mugabana we county ya Kisii
bodi ya moticho consult mugrana ngoncho olire amone serikali ya Kenya kwanza lakini ibintu byabetega iga ntuna abantu ba Kenya kwanza asensema ya assembly ya Kisii ntoko okiri ne mechera batu biyete yokoleta abasikali iga ntumanye tenga tubati serikali Ibere tubati national government na county government tutuara masikani ase county government ekeramo ko kolegas ekera tubati tiobisiga iga county commander no bali mukavana no hale mu county commissioner no hale bagwenda kaba uniform dinga na ki emechando nere busongo bamanye ko leta abasikali ku national government bamanye ko chororo keramo ko tumate jeshi iga violence jalenge busongo onye nebi bago jeshi wacha kuri bago jeshi tewe kuri criminals busongo ega siasa idinere liye keramo ko leta jeshi iga jeshi kasi yabo noko genda kabedo gochikominyokana na machambasi yali kuiba chion noko minyokana northeastern na kulende mipaka yaito noko genda Boni Forest na kuita al-Shabab tali wocha kuminyokania na bana inji ba Gusii bagenda to korobo limibwabo bali mechigende bali mebituma bali mechinyene chinsaga basapra yabantu Nairobi banyole ndage igole chiro ya daracha tego iri because jeshi yaito leteka kabosongo esenge choko intimidate abantu baito babosongo nto wanche serikali enene echeko intimidate abantu baito babosongo gaiga ngano koba yebinte bisinini batatagityo mugabano ita kolegas
Omoroti Charles III no ale sense ya Kenya satalire achakire taro ya matukane ense ya Kenya gakwariganiwa n'umurayibwense Dr. William Ruto asamaga cha state of the Korea lero boigo asanyaraga kwegwa esco yoma yechibunduke yokuruta gwechibunduki ange emeronke berneyamo asense meya state house ni gobono Charles ya uchikoba asense ya Kenya ase alengetujigo kwana amangana awa anene alialengeta magendero no kubwatana wense ya Kenya Charles ni gajire ekeraba Kenya kurujinsemo abo bandete komobolia anyare kago saba mabera anene kero ba preach banyaride bago chanda ense ya Kenya niko turaga into chikorana ngakyara chukwanira anene asetaro yaye yamatuko ane ase ense yaito ya Kenya gomurayibwense Dr. William Ruto na barayibande niko bamwarigani asense meli ya State House ekero chikwenda asegeti kya Hurback erigo kwana amangana awo ase ense ya Kenya ayarengete ense ya British amo nense ya Kenya Grade kia gatano mo amo na grasi kia gatano gatatu niko bagendete amate mwabo buya anene ase county ya Kisii unomo county commissioner we county ya Tom Mandera Nyarire kwenekia asiboiga nyarega koboria babwatani awa kwene kibinangosi abare chisemi boigonkwa abare aboroki waba koramate mchinga kichi ntwereru nigaya kwanaya as sub county ya Nyamachi litukuralero anekero aika senseme yiri koranga kyamatemu ayu agendrede as county ya Kisii onyorubna amatemu ayu asigre asikrasi kyatano gatoto naro agoika omwerio anenekero tolengete gokoro muroberio 844 tumayagosoa asumuroberio o CBC bene.
Candidates who registered for exams should be given a chance to do the exams. Remember, this exam is about the life of this child. And therefore, let us do all that it takes to ensure that we accord them an opportunity, we provide them with an enabling environment for them to be able to undertake the exam. We have talked to the assistant chiefs, we have instructed the chiefs, the SCCs to mop up all the candidates, and of course you are the people who have the information, isn't it? Yeah, anytime you detect that there is a candidate missing, please draw the attention of the local administration and let them mop them up to come and undertake the exam. This is the last KCP we are having, and you can imagine when a child misses on this one, it means they have to wait for another, I think, 2-3 years before they fit into, they align into the CBC system. Yeah? I remember this happened when we were facing out the Form 6 and 844. Yeah? Some of us were got into that mix, you know, and it's not very easy to recover. So let us ensure that we accord these children, there are children, an opportunity to prepare themselves.
A company ya Gusii Water and Sanitation Company gobono ya Nyarire Kobori abarai awa wotabeka siasa asobokoreri bwe company yuba okwana litukorero bakoragwa na managing director bwe company yo Rusi Waitoni gobono banyarire bakomoja barwenda dekoreta siasa bune company ni yatumekire chibese bobe anenekerwa mochiri omuwasiri bwe bintu bitwetana ine mona maje korwase county ya Nyamira ekaranyaraga okwana buna obwagaji bwechicho ase ejiro erense moyekerenyo nigo etara korbuya ase enjera ebwende korengana marabwo nigo bamochiri enganeyo nagatebuna teribo buna muwasiri yo anyaride kago kwana konda siba modebiri na karoje okomoja kwabeire ande ase kyombigeri kyobotuki korigeri nagose chibasi yatumekire bobe ase ensemo eyo
complaina omosisi wa maje ndira abatana enyombeju te watki plan architectural plans inchurule and kira approved by the county government enene na ikawa submitted BQs inchiro sirie standards chokoro siebe kwende onyombeyo bochenu chibikirese chiwati cho motaratifu mogandaria abone tokoba asubwa kachole kwesi omo contractor nuri ole qualified or applied na anda kaewa a contract hiyo mune bwererete na water trust fund no wakora kwa approve
ejire ibono nigere asensemo ya Nyamaiya anenekere company ya Wasco yabekire miroberio kwa gatachicho asensemo ya Nyamaiya asumo wasirio ibono bwebintu bitutone na mona macha se county ya Nyamira choni matiangi anyaraga komoche company ikolinde company nigo ya kanira mangana ayo una teribo no bolimo beste yanyadeke gosira gosikutumeka bobe kubatikana no bwagachu bokorekana sensemeyo ya Nyamaiya ekarto gosuka gojibosyo anenekero engana yo chikurusi chibese chichiwa kanwa ne serikali gochasiskuru aho asugusira chisemi ni gobono mobunge Obruma Jack Wamboka anyariga koboria serikali ya Kenya kwanza kwene kiuna mbari korusi chibese icho asichisemi ekiagera Kibaki oyo kabero murayo gatatu bwense ya Kenya imirio mwa Kibaki igachibege toro na nigo chiabeire esire nene na gusira chisemi asense ya Kenya goniga machiria serikali ekaribwa temiroberio bunese korusi chibesejo nigera anyarige kwirania chisemi magega.
Kama utaki kujenga legacy yoyote kwa education, wachana na mambo ya elimu. Ile Kibaki aliweka huo msingi usiguze. Ile msingi Uhuru Kenyatta ameweka usiguze. Manake tumeambiwa sasa hiyo fees imekuwa mnalipa wanataka kupandisha. Ana tax kila kitu mpaka sasa wana tax.
Ekero togosuka bosio ni gegekone kianyarage gokorekana gosikianyarage gokororekana asensemo ya Ronkatarungai kaunti ya Kajiado anekerinya sore chiguni emeronge benesana ya mujanyara chikorusiwa ase kanisa eyemo ase ensemeyo pago kwana babusaba manyimba abanyara bakonarinya sore yo nigo baichanirengane yo anekero batabuna chikanisa tari chonsi chikurandiringana konde jinde chiachire ichikogacha bakenya sore.
Leo hii kushirikiana na wananchi tumekamata bangi magunia 26 na gunia moja iko na stones, wanazita stones, nimesikia lugha hiyo hapa, kama 40. So you can imagine the worth of the bangi ile tumekamata. Tumeshika suspect wengine, but the main ones bado tutawakamata because they are not walikuwa wametoroka, but very strangely, hii tumeambiwa ilikuwa kanisa, inatumika kama kanisa. Na hii bangi tumekamata itaenda kwa police station na keshoe wale tuko nao kidogo atafungula mashtaka. So that court ndio watasema itadestroy namna gani, because court ndio watapeana nguo ende ya kudestroy. So hiyo ndio naweza sema. Na ndio sababu walikuwa wanapenya wanaweka bangi mingi hapa, because unajua mtu akiambiwa ni kanisa hawezi kuwa na shuku, anaweza fanya vitu kama hizi. So but tutakuwa careful zaidi, tutamulika zaidi, tuangalie. Kuna makanisa already tuko nayo, but tunachunguza one by one. Hatukuwa tumefika kwa hii ilikuwa inatulenga kwa randa. But tunaangalia kanisa pia ile imani wako nayo. Kuna wengine wako na imani potofu. Kuna wengine wanafanya activities ambayo they illegal kama hii sasa. Hii ni kumaanisha kanisa kweli wanaweza potea pia.
Omowaziri bwowerani asense ya Kenya radio waro niganyarika gotugitambagero gya serikali ya bekire anena sogo chaka koros chisimi ase ense ya Kenya anene kaokwana buritwirigoro ase county ya Machakos asensemo ya mafoko ekero moroberi nyaratuko gikera nomurayi bwense Dr. William Ruto oyugo chukwene kibena chisimi bono utaje koros erigu asense ya Kenya nigo radio warate thena ikeneki gitambagero Kenya ya irire anene asogo sira obwerania.
In pursuit of this digitalization agenda, Your Excellency, there has been a missing gap. The missing gap has been the device. Connectivity is only meaningful if there is universal access, Your Excellency. And in this regard, I want to thank most sincerely IDAC for helping us as government to close the gap so that we can at long last have affordable smartphone devices in the hands of the wider Kenyan population. In the same vein, Your Excellency, I want to most sincerely thank you because as far as this digitalization agenda is concerned, you have led from the front. This is a major change program in government, Your Excellency. And anytime you are introducing change, people will always be resistant. Had it not been for your persistence and leadership, transformational leadership, we would not have gotten this far as our digitalization agenda is concerned. And for that, as a ministry, we owe you a great debt of gratitude.
Asogo korira boigo mowaziri bwobo jeni Susana Kuminja nere na nyarade kago togi moroberio yo nere kerade debuna asenjera yokoro sisi mieju nere asogo kinio boerani bojonjigo kinia sekta yobo jenu anenekero chisi mieju korosiwo na gotuara chi hapu jirija jigo konya asoboerani asensemo yobo jenu ase ense ya Kenya boigo neni gaya kwanda yu asensemo ya mafoko county ya Machakos.
This is transformative, not just for the country, not just for the Ministry of Health, but for the world, I believe. Your Excellency, having acquired these gadgets locally, we were able to go around. You know, our procurement rules, Your Excellency, it would take forever for the ministry to procure 100,000 gadgets. But working together with Safaricom, in less than 2 months, we were able to get these gadgets. And that is the benefit of working with locally assembled products. Your Excellency, we were able to cut down on the cost. From what we were getting in the open market, we were able to cut down by about 30%. So we had value for money, Your Excellency. But for me, Your Excellency, the most important that we achieved from buying locally assembled products. If we had gone to the open market, there are some things that we would not have been able to put on this phone. For example, it wouldn't have come with our application. But now, these forms are being delivered to us with the application that is specifically for healthcare, the EKIS application, Your Excellency. As if that is not enough, we are working together with our partner Safaricom to ensure that these gadgets are geofenced, so that then the community health promoters are able to work within the area that they have been.
Azeboni katika ngolera bwekero bona watebuna King Charles III nigara since ya Kenya keracha kire taro ya yebene itukuria Jumamosi ntwaro jebuna eke mwanya getinge Heritage Council mbamo bore tibuna keragoja ajeno mutubu otenyo oyuba kageretuna nigochete bongereza ekero otenyo alikurwanira bosibore bwinsi ya Kenya aneno mu Gusii tujukomanyana Charles III nacha no mutubu otenyo ayundo yunyamanya chikoraga Chinsa ikomicha wana marwango kubona genda kulira Ndizi TV na robo nsumausi otwa batana na bweri nyanja moyone kuna mali ugine chibicha go cheira senjera bene wana botambiriane Brighton Makori.